Sing for the pageant trend, we own the night. Voices like diamonds under the spotlight. Sing for the pageant trend, the world will see a masterpiece created. This is me.
Hi guys, good day. I'm here with our representative for Mrs. Planet 2025. Walang iba kundi si Madam Cherry Ann. Hi Madam, kumusta?
Hi! Hi everyone!
Alright, so kumusta yung preparation mo dito sa upcoming competition mo?
So far so good, but marami pa kami dapat prepare. Nasa deciding stage pa kami kung sino ang aming kukuning designer, kung anong style yung babagay sa akin, the one that will make me not just look good but make me look special. So intellectually, dapat i-prepare ko din, but I'm still doing some things para mas maging prepare pa ako.
Kailan at saan po ito gaganapin?
Sa Antalya, Turkey, sa November 13 and November 13 to 18.
Wow. Talking to your preparation, ano na po yung mga pinaghandaan nyo? Mga trainings?
Actually, not so much. More on deciding pa kami. Pero kasi gusto namin mas maging perfect pa. Although kasi yung pupuntahan namin is mas malayo. So, we have to think wisely para do sa weather, mas malamig. So ano yung mga dapat pa naming i-prepare physically and sa mga damit pa.
And also, what are you advocating for this competition?
Actually, my advocacy is good quality education and poverty alleviation.
For how long na po ba kayo nagjo-join sa mga pageants?
Actually, this is my ang una ko is yung Mrs. Zambales and then I became Mrs. Philippines Planet. Yun yung nag-join ako sa competition sa Mrs. Philippines International. And then now, I am proudly representing Philippines sa Antalya, Turkey para sa Mrs. Planet 2025 pageant.
So, do you feel pressure na ba since malapit na yung competition?
Medyo anxious ako, to be honest, kasi maraming bago for me. But I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to adjust. Very supportive naman ang organizer. So, ang organizing team. So, I think everything is getting lively na.
Is there also a national costume and evening gown in this competition?
Yes. Kaya mas careful kami kung ano yung mas ma-emphasize yung pagka-Pilipino natin. Traditional costume yung isang alam ko, and then yung final gown, of course, we have to be really careful kung ano yung anong bagay sa akin, and budget-wise as well, kasi it's gonna be very expensive kasi nga yung papunta pa lang doon, yung air ticket and the hotels and everything, all in all, it will be quite expensive compared sa naunang competition namin dito.
Alright, you have mentioned a while ago about your advocacy regarding with the education. So why did you choose this advocacy?
Kasi I believe na yun yung talagang one of the big problem na hindi natin ma-solve. I do believe na some people remain poor kasi they have the poor education as well. So they are intellectually poor. And yung mga iba naman, nanatiling mahirap, nanatiling poor kasi they don't have the proper education. So yun yung mga una nating dapat ayusin para sa mga susunod na generation mas maging easier na sa kanila.
What do you think is the main problem of today's here in the planet?
The planet, I still think na yung poor education and the poverty because of the maybe hindi na pa priority. So siguro mag-start tayo sa parenting kung ano yung priorities ng parents, bakit hindi nakakapag-aral yung kanilang mga anak, although it's their responsibility. Kasi nagkaroon sila ng anak, dapat pangatawanan nila is pagiging good parent nila doon sa mga bata.
Alright, so since you are a certified beauty queen, so as a beauty queen ba, is it really important to include your, to outspoken about politics, mga nangyayari ngayon?
Not all the time. for me, to be honest, not all the time. Katulad ng ibang away, ibang gulo, we have to choose, we have to know kung kailan natin kailangan magsalita at kung kailan tayo kailangan manatiling tahimik muna and be observant lang.
Ayun. And lastly, your message to the planet.
To the planet, I'm hoping that not just me, but with all the support from everyone, together we can make everything lighter, just like what I said, and we can make our planet even brighter than the normal shine that they have.
All right. And you can also promote your social media platforms and as well as if there is an online voting for your pageant.
Oh yeah. I hope you all gonna support me para sa aking laban. Because I do believe that this is not just a competition, but I have the chance to promote globally. So I hope Filipinos can help me, even just by praying, by voting. Any help will do. So together we can do it all. Thank you.
Thank you. And one last question na lang. So this is very common to all the pageants. Why should you be the next Mrs. Planet 2025?
I should be the next Mrs. Planet 2025 because I will be advocating the good quality education and the poverty alleviation, which is the main problem, not just here in the Philippines, but all over the world. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much and best of luck on your journey here at Mrs. Planet 2025.
Thank you so much. Thank you.